I'm really excited because I get to talk to you about Pixie Cup and the public restroom, the dreaded public restroom. But it doesn't need to be something that you dread at all. Coming from someone that's used a cup for almost 4 years now, I didn't have this information early on, so I have had some experiences in a public restroom that are not ideal. You know, trying to clean with toilet paper, not knowing how to clean my hands off, just like feeling like I'm stuck in the stall until someone leaves so I can rush out and rinse my cup out. I'm going to share a few tips and tricks to make public restrooms no big deal. First, as you know, Pixie Cup can last several hours, so if you so choose, you can choose to deal with your cup before or after work and try to kind of plan it around a home setting. But some of us don't have that option. We may have a heavier flow where we need to change our cup more frequently, or maybe we have a job that we're at for many hours, so we have to deal with a public restroom. And in that case, there's a couple things that can make that, like I said, much easier. The first being, Pixie Cup have these amazing menstrual cup wipes. These are perfect for your purse. I would throw a few of these in your purse and have them in there at all times. That way, when you're in a public restroom setting, you can simply go in the stall, and if your hands aren't washed before entering the stall, which they should be if they can be, then you can use one of these wipes to clean your hands off, and then use one of these wipes to clean out your cup. So what you'll do when you enter the stall is you'll remove your cup, then you'll go ahead and you'll open up your Pixie Cup wipe and pull it out. And it's a great size. It can clean the entire cup with one wipe. I tried this. It does work fantastic. So you'll go ahead and you'll take your wipe and you will, this is my cup, you'll just wipe the inside of your cup and then wipe the outside of your cup. Go ahead and wipe off your hands and then toss the wipe. The next tip that I'm going to share with you that I am so excited about because I got to try this yesterday is the Pixie cup. This is a cup that you can use at home to sterilize your cup by boiling water and then pouring it in. But for the public restroom, you can keep this in your purse, collapsed. It pops open. And if you don't have access to a private sink, you can use this to rinse your cup. So what you would do is you would go into the public restroom, pop it open, fill it up in the sink, put the lid on, bring it into the stall with you, take your cup out, and then take the lid off. So this is my removed cup. I'm gonna pop it in the water, put the lid back on, like that, and then you're just gonna give it a quick shake like this, shake it around. And then by the time you open it back up and pull your cup out, it's completely rinsed clean. Then you're just going to insert it, dump this water in the toilet, pop it back down, and put it back in your purse. And like I said, I was able to try this yesterday. I was at lunch with my mom and my husband, and I had inserted my cup not great. I was in a rush flying out the door, so I caused a leak, and so I was at a restaurant, ran to the bathroom, had this in my purse because I really was hoping I could try it, and I ended up needing it. And I used this, and it was absolutely effortless. I actually had this to clean my cup, and then I also used a wipe to wipe off my hands after, and it was no mess, no hassle. It was incredible. Definitely my new go-to method. So just as a quick recap for some tips to deal with the Pixie Cup in public restrooms is you can try to plan to deal with your cup at home if that's an option. If not, for sure, pick up some Pixie Cup wipes to have in your purse at all times to wipe your cup out or your hands off if you need to, and also the Pixie Cup cup. Like I said, this is my new go-to. I've tried both methods and I definitely prefer this. If possible, I prefer both because that is completely hassle-free. So these, again, give you so much peace of mind and make it so much easier so that you don't have to deal with those sticky situations that you don't want to be in. And I can't wait for you to try these out for yourself and make the experience way more